The homeless man watching me walk into McDonald's after I said I have no money. Me, grandma, my dog lied today. Grandma, don't worry, child, God takes the good souls early. Me realizing she's now 100 years old. Sometimes you creep me out, but I like you just the way you are. So 2-inch ladder hornets are big, but my 2 inches are small. Yeah, okay. One stings with pain and the other with disappointment. Annoying things that hit my car's windshield during summer. I don't cook, why would I need a cookbook? The best recipes for unexpected guests. Life without women would be pain in the ass. Life without women would be pain in the ass. Body size is not an accurate indicator of health. Jamie Lopez supersized salon style eyes of heart attack at 37. Why do so many mobile games want access to all photo galleries and camera on your phone? They want pictures of you on the toilet so they can blackmail you into writing good reviews about their product. Don't ask me how I know, cause all I know is that Candy Crush is a lifesaver during these hard times. 5 stars, would recommend to a friend. Dude probably cancels a doctor's appointment because he's sick. Excuse me, delighted to be here in Pakistan for my first England tour, and I'm very proud to be, I think, the first woman from PA to cover England cricket overseas. Welcome to Pakistan, Sonia. Will enjoy the hospitality of Pakistani people. Tomatoes are a really great vegetable, they are so useful, but you know they actually are a fruit, right? Excuse me while I process that Macaulay Culkin is now older than Catherine O'Hara was when she played his mom in Home Alone. When I'm in a random competition and my opponent is Europeans talking about travelers. Dad, how do I talk to girls? Well, that's easy, son. You just walk up to one and face her. And then you press A. We are out of cream cheese. Hey Toby, would you rather fight 100 duck-sized Leonardo DiCaprios or 1 Leonardo DiCaprio-sized duck? Official Toby Maguire. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to hurt anybody or anything, but also a Leonardo DiCaprio-sized duck I would be scared of. Don't worry, you would be too old for it. Right, like you guys know I'm good at almost everything, right? Did you have to pay overweight baggage fees? Just concerned about the size of that ego you're carrying. Wow. Imagine a woman choosing to be with you for the rest of her life and you still feel emasculated by bigger D's. My dude, you won. You got the girl. It's not the size of the D between your legs that matters most after all. It was the size of the D in your heart all along. Do you want to date me? No. Fine. I'll wait 100 years if I have to. I'll be dead by then. Ah, okay. Prize, open your it. You don't look too bad. Lifts you out carefully from the mahogany box. You need a shower. Bathes you. All clean now. Get the F off, this is sick. You need some milk to keep those bones healthy. Unbuckles belt. Hey dad, the mailman dropped this off. Thank you, son. What's it say, dad? Call me Jim. Girls after M-baiting. Calm and relaxed. Boys after M-baiting. I sent all of them to their there is nothing to show for it. I just sent billions of potential people to their a quick They could have invented space travel, they could have explored the depths of the ocean, but instead they are inside of my cat. Miley Cyrus stands in new photos. She looks like a South Boston bartender. What song should every person hear at least once? Happy birthday. That's some dark shit right there. Decided to go for a walk on the beach and got freaked out when I thought I ran into a clown meeting. Turns out they have just closed beach umbrellas. GQ 2022 Men of the Year. Security at every level of the airport is insane until you get to the baggage claim. Then it's like take whatever bag you want. They don't care now that the off the plane. Are you going to sleep? Yes, I have major brain surgery tomorrow. If you hug someone for 30 seconds they feel better supposedly. I need another 30 seconds. Bro, that piercing living in a mansion. Why this pic look like 21 Savage is a supervillain interrupting a broadcast to reveal his evil plan to the world. The One Piece is more real than the odds of me ever getting a girlfriend. There's someone out there for everyone, and if you can't find them, start digging. Ayo, pause. My girlfriend cheating on me. Me effing her mom and making her parents divorce. The best things in life are free. Hugs. Smiles. Hate crimes. Kisses. Cross-dressing. Laughter. Child's free. Why did the math book look so sad? Why? Because it has a lot of problems. Well, new Mr. Beast video was cool. I wonder where did they get this music? Massive shout out to Hans Zimmer for making music just for this video. Great, let us play chess. Who goes first? Well, the custom is that white goes first. Girls making small talk. Love your choker. Thanks, nice dress. Men fighting off depression and loneliness. Nice bro. Thanks, dad says I got my grandma's crack. But shouldn't there be some funding in this bill to secure US borders, given that we are spending tens of billions to secure the borders of other countries? Most people who come to America illegally do so on fraudulent visas and then they just never leave. You know kind of what you did. My uncle dropping me off at school. Huh, I wonder who that's for. When my aunt was in her late 20s, people used to rudely ask her, why aren't you married yet? And she would reply, just lucky I guess, which I think is one of the best things I have ever heard. This is FBI agent Robert Hansen. He was tasked to find a mole within the FBI after the FBI's moles in the KGB were caught. Robert Hansen was the mole and had been working with the KGB since 1979. Men. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with your D and why? I call my D the truth, because sometimes the truth hurts, sometimes you can't handle the truth, but most of the time the truth is just disappointing. The West exporting a to China circa 19th century. China exporting to the West circa 2020s. You boys got any bro, we thought you lied. Guaranteed results. See how this man saved thousands of dollars on Christmas. Presents with one simple yet ingenious life hack. When Disney makes a movie just to make professional R34, it's like printing my own money. Why should atheists be given leave on religious holidays? If atheists are not comfortable with the concept of God, why do they happily accept holidays named after gods? Why should religious people be given access to scientifically devised medical care? You could just pray. If I wasn't supposed to grow up to want a sugar, why did we base an entire holiday around a much older man bringing me presents for being a good girl? So should I sit on his lap until I get what I want, yes or no? Society. Me after opening a reverse only where I send people my D-pic until they pay me monthly. Chernobyl will remain uninhabitable for around 20,000 years. Mr. be like, last one to mutate gets a Mr. burger. Thank you for your cooperation. Lionel Messi's ancestral bloodline connects him to an officer called Jihad Bone who fled to Argentina after World War II. Bone was responsible for the logistics of euthanasia program. The program killed 200,000 plus civilians. Messi has blood. Is this your goat now? Still my goat.